In this video, I'm going to discuss the valuation bases offered by Axius Asset. Axius Asset provide for 5 valuation bases, as well as the estimated new commission replacement cost that the user, in combination with Axius Asset database information, determine for the valuation. The valuation bases are divided into aligned to different types of uses. Estimated going concern, which is equivalent to a market value in place, is commonly used for enterprise valuations, but also financial reporting. Estimated going concern is also equivalent at times to fair value in relation to the ASB 13 standard. For market and financing purposes, the estimated market value and estimated liquidation value are often the preferred bases to consider. And for insurance purposes, the estimated new for old replacement and the estimated like for like replacement or indemnity value. Axius provides definitions for the various bases. I'll just point out some key aspects. Estimated going concern is the estimated value of the asset to the business owner based on the assumption it is income generating or supporting income generation activities. So that's what the asset's worth to the owner in use in situ. It's also what it's worth to a new owner should a transaction at the enterprise level be occurring. Estimated market is what an asset is deemed to be worth on the open market to knowledgeable parties without compulsion to act. It's important to note within Axius, the asset is considered uninstalled, decommissioned and ready for loading to the buyer's transport. And this removes the issue of the cost of removal and the variation in that cost of removal depending on the asset's context. Estimated liquidation value is knowledgeable parties with the seller compelled but not forced to sell. So it's not a forced liquidation, it's an orderly liquidation. New for old replacement is the level that provides adequate insurance coverage for an asset to be replaced with the new model of the subject asset. Estimated like-for-like replacement is a suitable adequate insurance coverage of the asset for a like-for-like replacement, which includes purchasing cost and commissioning cost. We hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need more assistance, please get in touch and make sure you look out for our other instructional videos.